In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your default apps to Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you're going to go down here to the search bar, and you're going to type in default apps. You'll select that, and this should open. For email, you'll want to click on this one. So if you click on this, so that would be a left click, you select Google Chrome. That's the one you'd want. Web browser, you'd click on this, a left click, you select Google Chrome. Okay. And the reason why we want to figure out our PDF viewer is if Windows 10 opens it in Microsoft Edge, you will not be able to print with our new printing system. So you want to go choose default apps by file type. This will then load, and we need to find .pdf, and we're going to change that and make sure that it says Adobe Acrobat. So it's loading the list of apps, and after this loads, then we will move down. Notice that along the side we're at .a. I'm just going to scroll all the way down to .pdf. So I'm at the .ds. So you can see there's a lot of different types of programs. It's important that we know which one we're looking for, and so we want to find the .pdf, and we want to make sure that it says Adobe Acrobat. So here we have .pdf. Mine says Google Chrome, so I'm going to select that, and I'm going to select Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, and then I'm going to close this up. So now when I open a PDF, here I'm going to download the PDF so that I'm not inside a browser. It opens up in Adobe Acrobat Reader, so that's what I want it to open up in. So that's how you'd set that as your default PDF viewer.